coffee here. Man, what is up, you guys? Chef Billy Parisi here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I could never imagine that I would even have this many subscribers and this many views to this channel on YouTube and Facebook. And I'm just so grateful for you all, because without you guys, this is definitely not even possible. I hope you see the passion and the love that I have with every single video that I create for you guys. I do so much research, so much testing. I want to get it right for you guys. I want these recipes to be foolproof in your kitchen, so that you can have all the confidence on earth that every time you make it, it's gonna be just as delicious as the same thing that I'm making in my kitchen. So I wanted to fill you in on a few things that are coming up. The summertime is a little bit crazy in our house. We have one daughter who's 7, who I don't talk about so often. She actually has pretty severe ADHD, and it can be a real challenge to do it every single day. So by going down to one video a week and my daughter not being at school, this is kind of a chance for me to help my wife parent our daughter and give her a little break. So I'm gonna be going from 2 videos a week to 1 video a week, just for the next few months, just so we can kind of get through the summer in one piece. And I also have some other news. Maybe, okay, this is a maybe, not sure yet, but we may be moving. So this whole studio and all this stuff is going to go bye-bye until I can get another one. And really, this is all good news. Please don't think of it that I'm going under or anything like that. And we live in the city of Chicago, and if you've ever been here, you know how close the houses are to each other. And my wife, who's from here, born and raised, like, this is all she knows. This is totally normal to her. And me, who kind of grew up in smaller towns on the outskirts of bigger cities, that's probably more my pace of life. So I think we're gonna potentially venture out to something like that, which will be helpful, obviously, for all of us and raising our daughters. So that's where we're at, and it doesn't mean we're 100% doing it. This is just a chance. I wanted to give you guys fair warning of what could potentially be happening in the near future. In the meantime, while I'm trying to get a new studio underway, it's gonna be really hard to keep cranking out so many videos every single week. So I'm gonna go down to 1 video a week instead of 2. I love you guys so much. I cannot thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. Like, I watch other YouTube videos and these people are like, man, I'm going all in. I've left my job. Like, what a dream come true. Literally, it's so special to me that I would be able to do what I love, and I hope you guys see that. I hope you see that again with every single thing that I create. Well, when I have 2 videos per week, and we will have 1, I'll still be totally engaged. I'll still be answering all of your questions. Maybe here and there I'll do a YouTube live and do a Q&A live. So so if you guys have any questions or whatever, I can answer them on the spot. We'll go back to 2 videos. Please don't freak out. There's not going to be 1 video a week forever. It's just going to be for a few months as I can sort of put some things together, help my wife with our daughter, and get this next sort of phase of our life underway. So we will absolutely go back to 2. I hate that I'm going down to 1. I hate it. I totally hate it. 2 is where is my sweet spot. I love cooking. I love to show you every single thing that I've learned and that I'm doing. And I'll love it. And I do love it, and I'll miss it. But we'll get back there. I promise you. I promise you. We'll be in time for all of the fall and winter holidays, and hopefully we'll have some sports this year and get you some good tailgate recipes too. So you all, I mean, you mean the world to me. I can't say that enough. I feel just completely blessed by you all, and thank you again from the bottom of my heart. My family thanks you that this opportunity allows me to even spend more time at home. So again, you guys are rock stars, my comies, my people that have been following me from the beginning, and new subscribers too, comies. Again, if you're not sure what that is, a commis chef is a French term for someone who follows around the executive chef to learn the intricacies of each station in hopes that by the end of his training, he too will be a chef. And I'm a 90s kid, so we always said homie, and I've combined commis and homie to be my comies, and that's what you all are. Again, I can't say it enough to everyone who has chosen to follow me on all my social channels and my website at billyparisi.com. I owe you. You all are you're amazing to me. Honestly, I love you guys so much. The support is overwhelming. Every single Friday when I ask how you're doing and maybe if there's anything I could pray for you all about, like the responses are, y'all are incredible. You all are incredible. So I thank you so, so much. And please take care of each other this summer. I hope to see you soon, very soon, twice a week. Okay? We'll see you all later.